Welcome to Desai Academy of class 9th. Chapter number 2 is a matter under pure. Okay, next topic is the properties of colloid. Okay, so yesterday we discussed that what is the meaning of colloid, and also we discussed that the definition of Tyndall effect. Okay, now we'll studying about properties of colloid. Okay, very important topic. Colloid is what? Heterogeneous mixture. First point is very simple. What is colloid? Is what? Heterogeneous mixture. First point is clear. The size of the particles of colloid is too small to individually be seen by naked eyes. First point is they are heterogeneous mixture, and the size of the particles are so small. The size of the particles are so small we cannot see with our naked eyes. Remember that the size of the particles are so small, so we cannot see with our naked eyes or naked eyes. Second point is clear, very easy, simple. First, heterogeneous mixture, thus they are very small, so we cannot see with our naked eyes. Third point, colloids are big enough to scatter a beam of light passing through it and makes path visible. Again, third point is they are small, but they are enough to scatter the beam of light passing through it, and we can see the path of the light. Okay, third point is very easy. Okay, first they are heterogeneous mixture. Second, the size of the particles are so small we cannot see with our naked eyes, correct? Or individually we cannot see it. Third point, still they are very small, but enough to scatter the beam of light when the light is passing through it, and we can see very easily. Okay, this is the third point. Okay, in previous video we discussed that this activity. Okay, so in the case here, so the passage of light we are seeing here because the particles are scattering the light, but here in the case of this it is a homogeneous mixture, so the light is does not scattering and we cannot seeing it, correct? So this is a homogeneous mixture. This is called as what? Heterogeneous mixture. The particles in a colloid are so small, but it can scatter the beam of light. This is the what? Colloid solutions. Okay, they do not settle down when left undisturbed. That is, colloid is a stable solution. Okay, when we undisturbed, that the colloid solution is left undisturbed, so that they are quite stable solution. They are very quite a stable solution. This is the fourth point. And last point is that they cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. Okay, so if a colloid solution is there, means we cannot separate by the filtration method, but a special technique of separation known as what? Centrifugation. Okay, so the colloid solution is cannot be separated by which method? Filtration method, but we can separate the colloid solution by which technique called as what? Centrifugation. By the using a centrifugation method we can easily separate the colloid mixtures, or colloid solution can be used to separate the colloid particles. Okay, what are the 5 points or 4 points of colloidal solutions or colloidal property? First, they are heterogeneous mixture, correct? Colloid are heterogeneous mixture. Very simple points is there. Second point is there. First, colloids are heterogeneous mixture. Second point, the size of the particles are small. The size of the particles are small, so we cannot see with our naked eyes. Simple is there. Individually we cannot see with the naked eyes. The second point is clear. Third point, so the size is so small, but they scatter the beam of light, right? Third point is very easy. The size of the particles are very small, so enough to scatter the beam of light, so we can see the path of light. Fourth point, if the solution is left undisturbed, so undisturbed for some time, it will be stable solution. Fourth point is clear. And fifth point is the colloidal solution we cannot separate by the which method? Filtration method, but we can separate by which method? Centrifugation. It cannot be separated by filtration method, it can be separated by centrifugation method. These are the simple 5 points or 5 properties of colloidal solutions. The components of a colloidal solutions are dispersed phase and dispersed medium. Okay, remember that. What are the components of colloidal solution? Means one is a dispersed phase and dispersed medium. Okay, in the previous videos we discussed that the components of solution is what? There are two types. One is a solvent, another is what? Okay, you guessed correct, that is a solute. Correct. So these are the component of solution like this. The component of colloid are what? Dispersed phase and dispersed medium. If you want videos of this, means you can check in our playlist. You will all get the properties of solution, suspension, and definitions of colloid and Tyndall effect. You will get all the videos of this chapter. Check our playlist. Okay, next will come, so the solute like component or the dispersed particle in colloid form the dispersed phase. Okay, like a solution having a solute like that, solute like component or the dispersed particles in a colloid form the what? Dispersed phase. How the solute is dissolving in a solution like that, solute like particles are dispersed in the colloid. So in the form of what? Dispersed phase. Dispersed phase means the particles are present in the solution, that called as a dispersed phase, especially in the colloid. The component in which dispersed phase is suspended is known as the dispersing medium. Okay, the suspended the component which dispersed phase is suspended is known as a dispersing medium. Okay, these are some simple definitions is there. Okay, the dispersed phase means the how solute is dissolving in the solution like that. Solute like particles or a component or dispersed particles in colloid are known as a dispersed phase, and the component in which the dispersed phase is suspended is known as what? Dispersing medium. Colloids are classified according to the state. Okay, colloids are classified according to the states. One is a solid, liquid, and gases, and colloids are classified into three categories: solid, liquid, and gases. Of the dispersing medium and dispersing phase of what according to the dispersing medium and dispersing phase. Few common examples are given in the table. Okay, some examples are given here. This to table 2.1. So of what three states: solid, liquid, and gases, and which is the dispersed phase and which is the dispersed medium, and type of colloidal solution and example are given here. Okay, so first one is what? Liquid is a dispersed phase and a dispersed medium is what? Gas. This type of solution is called as what? Aero solutions. What they contain mainly? They contain fog, clouds, and mist means what? Moisture. Okay, these are the first example of liquid, gas, aerosol solutions. Next, solid, gas. Okay, next which one is solid? If dispersed phase is solid and dispersed medium is a gas, so that is also aerosol, and it contains smoke, automobile exhaust. Automobile exhaust means when we run the vehicles, that produces a smoke from the silencer, that is the exhaust. Okay, that contain carbon dioxide gases, right? So that is called as aerosol solution. Next, gas, liquid, foam. Okay, gas is a dispersed phase, again liquid is a dispersed medium, foam it is what? Shaving cream. Our father or in a shaving or in a barber shop, that cream is used. Okay, that is called type of gas is in the what form? Liquid. This is example of shaving cream. Next, liquid dispersing phase and medium is also liquid, that is called emulsion, that is a milk face cream. Okay, this is the example of milk and face cream. Solid is a phase and liquid is a medium, so that is a solution, a colloidal. Okay, the milk of magnesia and mud. Sol means what? Colloidal solution, so milk of magnesia. Gas or solid. Gas in solid phase is gas and medium is solid. Foam, again foam, rubber, sponge, and pumice. These are the what?